Right, so I bought a single ticket, single journey. I can get another one later. I am heading off to Top Avenue. This is a ticket, so it costs 20 pesos. It's under a dollar. But apparently, I was about to get into the podium. They told me face mask. Oh, I thought it's never required. No anymore. Yeah, so they asked for face masks. That's why I'm heading back to the hotel. It's just a stone throw away. Uh, get my face mask. Their face mask is no longer allowed here in the Philippines. I'm sorry. It's not required. Sorry, what am I talking about? It's not required overall. You know, it's optional. But I guess in a train like that, you gotta wear face mask. Yeah, some people we still wear face masks, and I think it's because of pollution, of course, COVID. But they told me face mask. Oh, really? And then they told me you can just buy a face mask. No, I don't want to buy a face mask. It doesn't fit me. I have my special face mask anyway, so that's why I'm heading back to the hotel. And I get my face mask. Alright, so I'm heading off to the main city, which is in Top Avenue. There's some places I would like to see. I want to see the Manila Zoo. To say hi to those elephants, right? Asian elephants and others. So I believe the Manila Zoo has been rejuvenated. So when the former mayor, Isko Moreno, was the mayor of the city, that's beautiful. They said I would like to see that. I've been there donkey's years, so it was not in a good condition. So that's the main thing today. Okay, so I'm heading off. So there's the train. Here's my ticket, a single journey ticket, MRT3. So I'm gonna get my face mask. Maybe, hopefully you can hear me, because it's too noise, right? Motor noise. Later. Right, that's how it is. It's about stone throw away from the Bonnie station. So now I got my face mask. It's been years, right? Since the last time I wore this mask. Oh, I'm not using it anymore. Anyway, even although the face was required, as a matter of fact, I wasn't too much damn serious about it. Sometimes I fake it and I made it, right? Yeah, so face was required. So I'm heading back to the MRT station. Top Avenue. Yeah, Top Avenue. So, only I don't know how many stops will that be. Alright, so, MRT station. Okay, so see how close it is. I'm walking. I'm going to, as mentioned, I want to see how the Manila Zoo looks like now. They said it's a new one. No, not totally new, but it's rejuvenated. Right, yes, that's one of the itinerary today. Ready with my walking shoes. Alright, so the weather is it's fascinating. No rain, blue sky. It's not too hot yet. I got my brolly anyway. Alright, so let me turn it off. And I'm about to get to the station. That's the station. It's a Bonnie station, and I'm here in Pioneer. I got my face mask because face mask is required. I'm here. Yeah, never worn face mask before for a year now. I'm glad I got my face mask. I'll carry face mask when you go to the Philippines. Alright, so right here at the podium, yeah, the platform, I would say. So this is the Bonnie station, and you'll be loading, and there should be an announcement. I got my face mask still. the announcement going to the top station, and then here is a train. Right, so this is the other side. Pretty good. People are queuing up. I got my face mask for the first time again after almost a year. So right here in the top station, this is the final station, and I have to be ready with the ticket because the ticket is required to exit. This is a single journey ticket. You have to have face mask on the entire journey. Yes, it's okay, you know, because there's an AC. Alright, we put my face mask on because they have their face mask. Tap the card to get out. That's nice to ask the local. So I found out that I have to get off at Quirino station instead of Pedro Hill. So first initially somebody told me Pedro Hill, so I have to get off Quirino station and then I ride a tricycle. So if it is a walking distance, I will just walk from the station. So again, this is a single journey ticket. So I'm right here in the I came from the Boni station, then to this station top, and then I will be getting off Quirino. They're so nice. Each time I ask questions, they're so polite. Filipinos are really polite. So yes, I asked multiple people and they went above and beyond. So there's always pork or kuya. So I'm here in I guess this is a Quirino, Top Avenue, Quirino, but I have to cross the road. Across the road, and the lady said she is security. Across the road, I see either I can take a ride on a jeepney or just simply walk. But I have to cross the road. This is right here. So this is the mayor still is Moreno. So it's no longer Isko Moreno, but it's the lady right next to him is already the mayor. It's Mayor Lacuna. Isko Moreno, he ran for president, but he did not bring the bacon home. So I'm right here in Quirino Avenue. So the mayor is still Isko. Alright, so Manila Zoo, it's about stone throw away. Alright, just go straight. This one is correct. Right. So yeah, the other one is an old one, but this one is correct. Mayor Honey Lacuna. So she was a former vice mayor of Isko Moreno, but this one is correct one. So the Manila Zoo is straightforward and just following the Google map. I came from EDSA, and I took the MRT to Taft, and then from Taft to Quirino, and then just register and let's go straight, and that's where you're gonna see the Manila Zoo. Bye bye. To continue, so this old iPhone is was overheating a while ago, so it's just started to be erratic. Anyway, so to continue, so here's another one. It's called Kakawati Glircidia septium. Warning, bird poop zone. It's a bird poop zone. Right, warning. So the good thing is it's a bird poop, not poison. Okay, so I am continuing by Johnny. Here's the tiger. Okay, let's look at the tiger. Where's the tiger? White Bengal tiger. Where's the tiger? Where is the tiger? Hey, the tiger is hiding somewhere. Way behind that rock. Stay behind the barriers at all times. White barrier, Bengal. Okay, so we're gonna come back. So here we go. Oh, that's a tiger. White Bengal. Hello. Tiger, maybe somewhere right here.
Yan po kami umahon.
Oh, where's the tiger? Oh no, where's the tiger? That's not a Bengal, that's a tiger. It's a white Bengal tiger. There you go. A white Bengal tiger. Okay, in front is savannah. Savannah. There you go, it's a mini Africa. So like Rwanda, we got my Rwanda. So here is a Philippine deer. Ostrich, so the savannah. The deer. Ostrich, and that's the Philippine deer. And let's see, here's this ostrich. Here's the Philippine deer. This is savannah section. Where's the giraffe? Zebra, ostrich. I was looking, where's the giraffe? No, I don't see the giraffe. That's a Philippine deer. They have a really huge, massive playground, but there's not a lot of animals. So there's two more there. So there's a Philippine deer, ostrich. Pretty good. And there's a description. Okay, so this section is a savannah. So this pretty good, I guess. Right, that's savannah. And in here is the African lion. Africa, where you made the wonder shit. African lion. Where's the African lion? Come on. Hiding somewhere. I don't see the lion. Must be hiding somewhere. Okay, let me just turn it off and make it roll once again. It's getting hot. So I found it. So that's the Manila Zoo. And this is Adriatico. I just need to cross along the crossroad. There's a zebra. Sorry, there's a zebra crossing there. So yes, I'm now here in Manila Zoo. Okay, let me fix my hat. All right. Bye. So right here inside the Manila Zoo, lots of people. It's a family day Saturday, so that's the outside. Well, the good thing is so you have two options to get in here. You queue up, long line, or they do have a QR code. No, actually you have the scan, and then you can pay online. There's no need for as long as you have your mobile phone connected to Wi-Fi. Yes, which I did, and then pay by credit card. It costs 300 pesos for an adult. Right. So here's the elephant. Okay, a bolo tree. All right. So this is the last time I was here was donkeys years, years back. And then now when Isko Moreno, the former mayor, rehabilitated this for the people, for the tourists to enjoy. Now it looks like rehabilitated, I believe. Just at the entrance, just got off from the turnstile, and I just showed the proof of payment and gave Bob your uncle. Right. So here you have there's a souvenir shop. There's a lot of people, and here we do have a Mabolo tree. The good thing is that so they are labeled as well. Mabolo tree. Oh, I remember my botany class when I was in undergrad. Diospyros blanca, Mabolo tree, and then here you have an Asian elephant. So I believe this is one of the elephants that has been here for many years, and great day rehabilitated here. So this is the nation elephant, and you can see that there's only one. Hopefully, all right, let's move on. I'm right here in the Manila Zoo, and to get here from Itza, I took the MRT from Boni Station, paid 300 pesos, and then took off Quirino Station. Oh no, I have to go to Taft Station first, MRT, and then I transfer LRT. MRT and LRT are two different train systems. So the older version is the LRT, and the newer version is MRT. And I took off from the Taft Avenue Station from MRT, and I took the LRT and took off at the Quirino Station. And then just a little bit of a walk. You can take a tricycle, but Google Map, it's just all straight. And here you go. Bob's your uncle. As a matter of fact, I passed by the Bureau of Botanical Garden, whatsoever, plant industry, something like that. Anyway, so I'm going to start my exploration of this Manila Zoo. This is in the city of Manila, which is the capital city of the Philippines. I'm staying in Mandaluyong. That's a different city, and that's along EDSA. Okay, along this massive thoroughfare here. Okay, so here we go. Nara tree. So Nara tree is the national tree of the Philippines. Okay, I hope they have changed that. This is a really tough plant. Nara. Alright, so I'm leaving the Manila Zoo. It's pretty good, right? Well constructed and clean. And there's basic things that you would need, like for instance, the loo. There's a chain of fast foods and eateries. This is the main entrance, and that's the statue of the elephant. There's one elephant. I didn't see any giraffe, but there's a signage that says giraffe. I'm in my bralette because it's hot, but still not humid though. So this is the Adriatico Street, owner Kirino. And this is pretty awesome. There is an entry fee of 350 something as an adult. And the best way to do it is that instead of queuing up there, it's a long line. There is a website that you can connect and enter your information. And then we're going to ask you to set an appointment. The appointment is the day you arrive here at the zoo. As a matter of fact, once you have the appointment, you can do it in the comfort of your home because it asks for a particular date. So there is a queue or there is a website and you can pay through GCash, which I don't. I pay by Apple Pay, by a credit card. Alright, so yeah, it's a children's paradise. It's a Saturday, that's why there's lots of people here. And here there's the exit. Plymouth Philippine flag, and it's pretty good. So I highly recommend. So this was a zoo that was not totally abandoned but neglected prior to the Scott Moreno as being a mayor. So this is one of his project, and I think he did such a fabulous job in rehabilitating, rejuvenating, and is starting to maintain once again the glamour, the simple glamour of the Manila Zoo. Last time I was here was Donkey's Years, and I saw the elephant, poor elephant, but yes, the elephant has a home. Not a lot of animals though, but they are well appointed, labeled, as well as there's a botanical garden, there's an aviary, as well as butterfly garden. Okay, and it's a neat stroll, and there's not a lot of seats you can have a rest, but so whenever you can, especially during this warm. Back up on us, so I got my ticket again. This is LRT. This is LRT. Alright, so I'm right here back in the Bonnie station in EDSA. And this is the MRT, which is different from the LRT. So on the way back, I have to ride LRT from Quirino, and then get off. As a matter of fact, so I should have gotten off EDSA, but I passed it, and I ended up going to Baclaran. But it's alright, it was hunky-dory at all. It's part of the journey. It's just traveling, it's getting lost, right? So I asked, and I just needed to walk for a few steps and hit the EDSA station. The EDSA station has the intersection between the LRT and MRT, and I'm able to get on the MRT, which is a Metro Rail transit. And from the MRT, I had to get another ticket, and then I get on the train, and then the final destination is Bonnie, which is in EDSA. As a matter of fact, now I remember, and I saw it's definitely confirmed that I can go to Kibao to take the bus going to Aurora, which is in the northeastern part. Hopefully there's no rain the next few days. From there, because there's no train heading there, you have to get on the bus. So there's two buses, but I will need to verify that tomorrow, Sunday. From this station, I can get a ticket. As a matter of fact, I can do it now, but I'm a little bit knackered, so I think I'm just gonna call it a day. But this is a station where I can get to Cubao, wherein I can find out the schedule of the bus. I'm trying to do it online, but it's not giving me. I guess I'm in doubt. It's not giving me the correct time slot. It says there's no time available, which I doubt because the information I got, they had frequent departures from Kibao to Aurora. It's in Bel. I would like to go to one of these places in Aurora called Dipakulao, which cannot be reached by bus. So at Bel, I have to take I think a public transportation. Could be maybe there could be a Grab there or a jeepney is fine with me an hour to Dipakulao. Hopefully the weather will cooperate. So far so good. Right here as a bomb station is a Marty. There are some concessionaire. It's pretty neat and clean. It's safe. It's breezy. It's not raining. But these shops are closed. Hopefully they're organized, right? So people will have a time to enjoy it. So right. Okay, so I have to get off that. And right here I'm in Pioneer. I got to get a little bit of a drink because I'm a little peckish. Okay, so once again, it was a success. Now I'm back in Bonnie Avenue, and traveling is now arriving to a new destination. Oh, it's a pop chow. Yeah, what time is it? It's almost 3. It's a Saturday. It's jump up. So better yet, if you travel, which if you can be able to find your way, and to minimize the carbon emission, right, and exercise as well, just hop on the train. Yeah, don't add the 4 wheels or 2 wheels here for congestion. If you can do it, it's pretty amazing. I love this train. Now they have this metro rail transit. The original was the LRT. It's just on the other side. This one is from all throughout EDSA. So the last destination is the North EDSA, and I came from the farthest I've been to using this is Quirino station. Alright, I need to get off this stairs. It's a new station. Alright, once again, traveling is now arriving to the destination. The weather is so cooperative, by the way. Here's the traffic. That's this way is going to Cubao. Okay, so that's when this bus going. And as a matter of fact, I can go to a place where I used to live, going to that direction, but it's still a walk or a ride. Alright? Bye for now. Once again, traveling is now arriving to your destination. It is looking at the world in a different perspective. I'm still here, quite a few days here in Manila. I'm heading off to Bulacan on maybe on a Wednesday, and the rest of the day I'm planning a trip to Aurora in Bale. Yeah, so I skipped the plane, so I think it's time for me to do the bus transport here in the Philippines. Okay, I'm staying here in Luzon. Bye for now. Cheers. Be safe. Bye and God bless.